So the idea here is we're using a large screwdriver to remove this nut that holds in the door bellows. And we want to ensure that we get all the parts of the door bellows out before we attempt putting the new one in. Now we're going to use a set of needle nose pliers. So this is what all the parts look like that we've taken out, and it's critically important that this backmost piece with the red gasket is also removed before the new part is put in. This barrel for the door bellows has a thin end that looks like this and a thick end. The thick end needs to go towards the brass part of the new door bellows. And you just gradually, gently rotate it in until it's settled against the end of it. And this is what it looks like before it goes back in the door. Okay, so we're going to slide the new part back into the door. Put the nut over the end of it. Continue sliding that in. Work on getting the threads started properly here. If it's cross-threaded, stop, back up and start over again. And then we're just going to gently tighten that down. We don't want to over tighten it. We just tighten it until it's snug. If it's over tightened, the back end of the barrel will cut the bladder of the new bellows. And that's how to install a door bellows kit on a Tuttnauer Autoclave.